The North American pulp mill was expanding production from 2,300 to 3,600 tons per day. But the higher sulfur environment in its recovery boiler threatened to corrode the lower furnace tubes, putting operations costs and schedules at risk. Management considered replacing panels with carbon steel or composite materials, but both options meant long downtime and multi-million-dollar expenses. Instead, the mill turned to IGS. In just 10 days, IGS applied HVTS cladding across all four walls of the 34-foot-high lower furnace zone, protecting the tubes from future sulfidation and extending their life without costly replacement. The results were significant. More than $8 million saved, critical path time reduced by over 2 weeks, and boiler reliability secured for years to come. An inspection 16 months later showed 99.6% of the cladding in perfect condition with only minor touch-ups needed, proving the long-term value of the solution.